Let's start with the eyes. Super simple, just follow along. The head is all soft curved lines. Keep it light and easy. When you outline, adjust the proportions and clean up the shape. Right here, body width aligns with the eyes. That's what makes him look right. Eraser whenever you need to. Completely fine. Line up this side like this and he gets even cuter.